Why don't we record a little bit?
Is that a video?
You getting ready to go out for dinner to celebrate Uncle Matty's birthday?
That's right. Uncle Matty turns 32. You're barely 32 days old.
Yeah.
I think he is exactly... What was he? He was...
Sorry today.
Oh no, he's 37 days
You're
old.
the one.
You're older than that. No.
Somebody's tired.
You need to burp? You want to get that silly hat off your head? Did mommy put on there? Is that going to squeeze your eyes out? Come here. Come here. You look like a condom. Doesn't he?
So cute.
I ruined all the home movies.
I know.
Gonna have to edit them. Oh, buddy.
Yeah, he has a burp.
Give us a burp. Give us a burp.
You're irritated. Do you want me to take the hat off?
I think he wants the hat off.
Okay. He looks hungry, babe.
He's not hungry. He just had 5 ounces of breast milk.
You hungry?